So in this video I am going to explain implementation of sampling rate conversion. So efficient implementation of sampling rate conversion systems are nothing but polyphase filter structures, interchange of filters and downsamplers, upsamplers, sampling rate conversion with cascaded integrated combo filter, polyphase structure for decimation and interpolation filters, structures for rational sampling rate conversion. So here coming to the first one, polyphase filter structures. So any system function can be split into like h of z is equal to like this, right? Then here if you use the factor here, ith row we obtain h of z is equal to c here. So if I common the z power minus 1 like this, and then z power minus of m minus 1 and z power minus of I minus 1 you common like that, then you can modify the given h of z like this. Then so here in compact form we may write like this, h of z is equal to summation z power minus I pi of z power m. So where pi of z is nothing but summation h of nm plus I z power minus n. This is the another representation here. In this way also you can represent the h of z equation. So here it is said to be here, this type of equation is actually called as m component polyphase decomposition, and the pi of z is the polyphase components of h of z. Okay, now here in this each particular subsequence pi of n is in the nature, what is that, h of nm plus I, where I is a 0 1 and so on m minus 1. So here it is obtained by downsampling a delayed version of the original impulse response. Am I correct, right? So h of nm is nothing but downsampling which is shifted by the I like that. To develop an m component polyphase filter structure for if suppose if I take m is equal to 3, so what is that here, how can I develop the structure here? So see here like a direct form structure. In this way I can develop the structure for the m is equal to 3. Okay, right. So here transpose of the particular structure also. So you know the transpose structure forms. So based on that you can draw like this. Okay, just inverting the what is that here delay units and summers like that you can get the so h of z by using this structure also. Okay, so these polyphase structures are valid for any filter. So that means FIR or IIR and any finite values of M. Okay, right now. So based on this also, that means by using this type of what is that form, what is that, this one, right? It is said to be polyphase decomposition. So based on this also you can get the nature, what is that, h of nm plus I. That means here that is nothing but decimation process or downsampling process. Okay, so that is the first thing. And then here interchange of filters and downsamplers, upsamplers. In general, the order of the sampling rate converter and the LTI system cannot be interchanged. Okay, right, since sampling rate converter is the LTV system and here system is the LTA. So to swap the position of filter with a downsampler or an upsampler, we have to use two noble identities. Okay, so first identity is, so here is the decimation one, what is that, block diagram. So decimation, then filtering action. Okay, so now for first identity, now next one is nothing but here, so we may use like this one also, h of z power t, so downsampling. Two equivalent downsampling systems, these are said to be first noble identity. Okay, right? So we may use this one. Next to second noble identity is nothing but, so h of z, here is a upsampler, here also upsampler interpolator, now h of z I. Okay, right? So here this is the second noble identity. So both are equal. So observe these two identities, right? So based on these two identities, right? So we can what is that? So swap the position of a filter with a what is that, downsampler or an upsampler. Okay, so this is the second thing. Now sampling rate conversion with cascaded integrated comb filters. So here the hardware implementation of the low pass filter required for sampling rate conversion can be significantly simplified if we choose a comb filter with the system function like this, h of z is equal to summation z power minus k. So now here that is equal to 1 minus z power minus m by 1 minus z power minus 1. So the system can be implemented by cascading either the integrator with the comb filter 1 minus z power minus m or vice versa. This leads to the name cascaded integrated comb filter structure. So the CIC structure does not require any multiplications or storage for the filter coefficients. So an efficient CIC filter structure for decimating for decimation using first noble identity is like this. Now so interpolation using second noble identity is this one. Okay, so here based on this, okay, develop the this type of CIC filter. Okay, so this is a cascaded integrated cone filter. Okay, right. Now coming to the multi-stage implementation of sampling rate conversion. Okay, so multi-stage implementation of sampling rate conversion means, so sampling rate conversion for either D much greater than 1 or I much greater than 1 in multiple stages. Interpolation by a factor I much greater than 1. So here assume here I is equal to product of I is equal to 1 to L. So interpolation by a factor I can be accomplished by cascading L stages of interpolation and interfiltering action as shown in the figure. So now here stage 1, stage 2 and so on stage L. So here use the here block diagram for the interpolation in each stage. Then here is the input x of n, then you can get the output y of m. Here fi is nothing but ifx, where I is nothing but product of I. Okay, right. So now decimation means here. So here also multiple stages are there. So here use the first stage, second stage and so on L stages of or J stages of decimation block diagrams. And then here input and output is nothing but fx by d, where d is the product of each decimator value. Okay, right, d value. Okay, now here is a what is that definition of what is that to define the passband and the transition band here. So what is that decimator passband transmission, how it would be, and then interpolation passband transmission stopband, how it would be. So in this way you have to take the conditions, right? So in this then you can get the multi-stage implementation of sampling rate conversion. Okay, thank you.